Hello, welcome to week 4 of Human Development and Educational Psychology. Thank you for your great discussion last week. I appreciate all of your insightfulness and your comments back to one another. So I will be posting those grades soon, and if for some reason you forgot to post or forgot to respond, you can always do that until the discussion closes. So I'll enter the grades, but I can change them if you end up posting late. So you can read the syllabus on exactly how long I'll accept late items. So this week, and do make sure that you watch the videos on self-regulation and grit. If you didn't yet, your classmates did an excellent job on putting those together for you and provide great examples of what I'm looking for in the theorist research project. So look at those for examples, but then also to help you. So you'll be responsible for the information contained in those videos, so be sure that you have those. So this week in week 4, you will be reading chapter 4, and then I'll also be posting the ecological systems theory video, so be sure that you watch that. I should have it up on Monday or Tuesday once I get it from your classmates. And then, so in addition to chapter 4, you will be working on this activity. So this will be your first activity for the semester that you'll complete and then you upload to the Dropbox. So it's on reciprocal causation, which is in chapter 4, and it talks about how the different components of the environment relate together. So internal variables, the environment, and behavior. And you can read more about it in the chapter. It's like a little triangle and how all of them will relate back and forth to each other. So what you're going to be doing is providing an explanation for each scenario in 25 to 50 words. So look at the examples in your book on page 131, 132. And then I do have a rubric at the bottom, but these are the different scenarios. I want you to explain what is the internal variable, what is the environment, and what is the behavior. So again, using reciprocal causation, just explain those three, and you can, a brief description, 25 to 50 words. So I don't want you to just write the word, but just offer a couple of sentences to explain the 3 different components for each of these 4 scenarios. So you can do it on your own paper and type in scenario 1 and the answer, etc. And so this is the rubric that I'll be using. You need to identify all 3 components for each one, explain what they are. So this is internal because, this is environment because, using support from the textbook. So you don't have to provide direct quotes from the book, but just, using the words and language from the book, and then make sure that it's very clear. So each explanation should only be 25 to 50 words, and I'll make sure that this is reflective of that when you're watching this. But so this is it's 25 points for each one, and for a total of 100 points. So please let me know if you have questions, and by posting them to the course discussion board. But be sure that you're reading through the reciprocal causation, and I'm happy to help if you want to make sure that you're on the right track. Hope that you'll have a great week.